The AI world just went silent for a week. Not a whisper, not a breakthrough, not even a speculative leak. Is this the end of the hyper-accelerated hype cycle we've become accustomed to? Or are we witnessing the precursor to something far more profound, something that will fundamentally reshape the future of artificial intelligence? Between July 19th and July 26th, 2026, the global AI news cycle hit an unprecedented flatline. For 7 consecutive days, AI Pulse and every other major tech publication reported zero new significant AI announcements. No new foundational models from Google DeepMind, no groundbreaking chip architectures from NVIDIA, no major enterprise AI integration deals from Microsoft, no innovative open source releases from Hugging Face, no major funding rounds for the next unicorn. This wasn't a slow news week. It was a complete, eerie vacuum, a stark contrast to the relentless torrent of weekly breakthroughs and announcements we've tracked for years. In plain English, the public-facing innovation pipeline, for the first time in recent memory, simply stopped. To understand the anomaly, consider what a normal week has looked like. Weeks often featured multiple model updates. Think Meta's Llama 4.5, OpenAI's GPT-6 Alpha, or even new specialized vision models from startups like Perplexity Vision. We'd see new benchmarks, pushing past human performance on complex reasoning tasks, or major leaps in robotic manipulation. But this past week, nothing. No new MMLU scores, no new breakthroughs in multimodal fusion, no novel self-correcting agents emerging from research labs. Maintaining this level of continuous public-facing innovation is inherently unsustainable. It demands immense compute, vast talent, and a constant stream of novel ideas. This sudden halt could signal a collective reevaluation of development strategies, a moment where even the giants like Anthropic and xAI might be taking stock, regrouping, or pivoting their R&D away from immediate public disclosure. So, who feels this silence the most? Smaller AI startups, often reliant on riding the coattails of major announcements or creating tools on top of rapidly evolving foundational models, are suddenly scrambling for relevance. Their investor pitches likely hinged on adapting to the next big thing, and now the next big thing isn't appearing. Larger companies like Salesforce AI or IBM Watson, while having broader portfolios, might face internal pressure to demonstrate their strategic direction in a suddenly static landscape. For developers, this isn't a crisis, but an opportunity. Stop chasing the bleeding edge for a moment. Instead, focus on mastering the robust current tools. Optimize your prompt engineering, build resilient production-ready applications with existing APIs, and deep dive into current frameworks like PyTorch 3.0 or TensorFlow 4.0. The focus isn't on unlocking new use cases this week, but perfecting and securing the immense potential of the AI we already have. This pause isn't necessarily a slowdown. It could be the strategic calm before an entirely different storm. Think of the 2007 iPhone launch. A period of intense secrecy preceded a world-changing public release. This could signify a shift in the AI race itself. Perhaps the industry's leaders, having pushed the boundaries of public iteration, are now engaging in larger, more secretive projects with delayed, coordinated public announcements. We might be entering an era where AI progress isn't drip-fed weekly, but delivered in colossal, paradigm-shifting events every few months. What comes in the next 3 to 6 months? We could see a monumental return to rapid announcements, perhaps with a new generation of truly multimodal, embodied AI. Or, equally likely, we might see a new phase focused on stability, integration into legacy systems, and most critically, establishing robust ethical and regulatory frameworks. The one thing most people are missing, a lack of public news does not equate to a lack of progress. It fundamentally changes how AI progress is being communicated, how it's developed, and crucially, how it might be regulated behind closed doors. This silence isn't empty.